Company description: Converge Information and Communications Technology Solutions, Inc. CNVRG was registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission on October 17, 2007 primarily to construct, install, maintain and operate in the Philippine Information and Communications System. In 2008, the company was granted a congressional franchise under Republic Act No. 9707 with a term of 25 years effective until August 2034. CNVRG commenced fixed broadband internet operations in June 2012. CNVRG offers fixed broadband internet services to residential and enterprise customers. The fiber broadband plans are under the brands Fiberx, FiberXtream, Microbees, and Air Internet. The company also provides private data network solutions, cloud and colocation services and other connectivity solutions to enterprises of varying sizes, industries and types. In addition, the company offers add-on products and services such as speed boosts and pay TV. As of June 30, 2020, CNVRG's domestic network spanned over 35,000 kilometers, covering 200 cities and municipalities across Luzon, including Metro Manila, and reaching approximately 4.1 million homes.